If you're looking for rugged board solutions, ADLINK has some of the ones that you want to find, especially with your new VPX board. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, Bill. There is a bit of actually history that ADLINK has already in the ruggedized embedded space from our board products of PC104, ETX, and ComExpress, but also conduction-cooled 3 and 6U compact PCI boards. So now in the next phase of evolution of those applications, we have decided to develop the VPX 3000, which is our first generation VPX compatible blade, featuring a Intel 3rd generation core processor. We feature a quad core and a low power dual core as choice, as well as gigabit Ethernet, dual video output, 8 gig of memory on board, 16 gig of SSD storage, and an XMC site, so you can expand it with XMC cards in a 3U format. The VPX 3000 is VPX compatible. We designed it for OpenVPX standard. It features a 3rd generation Intel Core i7 processor with quad core but also low power dual core options. It has one XMC site as well as up to 8 GB of soldered memory and an option for 16 GB flash drive. Besides gigabit Ethernet, dual video output, serial ports.
Well, what are some of the application areas where we're going to find this used?
VPX finds its way into the truly ruggedized applications, such as unmanned vehicles, airborne equipment, as well as ground vehicles, and also shipboard.
Now, in terms of this particular series, this is just the start of something that you expect to expand into a number of other boards as well.
Yes, I mean, this is the beginning of a new line for ADLINK, so this is not just a one-off. This will be a continued approach, mainly on the CPU side, probably also at a switch later in time.
What are some of the design challenges that you ran into? Obviously, you're using Intel's latest, so it has AVX support. It's going to be rather substantial in terms of power consumption.
Yes, power management is an issue, and it's a challenge. So one is for the wide temperature range, you have to find the right parts, design your power supplies properly so they do perform reliably at those extreme temperatures. And then you have to manage to get the heat out, away from the CPU and into the cooling system. VPX has a improved conduction cooling method compared to previous generations, so that problem has been addressed, at least on the mechanical side.
Well, excellent. Well, thank you very much for showing us your latest.
Thank you, Bill.